cooks, welcome to Gigi's Recipes. My name is Amanda Blaylock, and Gigi was my great-grandma. She was also a registered dietitian who wrote her own cookbooks. And in these videos, we explore some of her cookbooks and try a new recipe each week. Today we're making special chicken curry. This is a recipe from Gigi's cookbook, Diabetes Control Cookery. So this recipe won't spike your blood sugar. Let's get started. This recipe does call for turmeric, and if you've never cooked with turmeric before, you should know that it stains. So make sure you don't use your cute white spatulas, or your favorite ceramic white dishes, or even your nice fluffy white towels to dry the pots. Anything that's not metal or dark plastic will definitely stain. Once you have the right utensils, you're good to go. Let's start with 3 to 3.5 pounds of chicken. Add the turmeric, onions, vinegar, and a clove of garlic, and let it marinate for 2 hours in the fridge. Add margarine or butter into a large pan and let it melt. Then add onions and let them saute until they're partially soft. Then you'll add cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, garlic, ginger, and salt. And then you'll let them simmer on low heat for 5 more minutes. Add your chicken with the marinade, cover the pan and let it simmer on low heat until the chicken is cooked. I added gram masala and madras curry powder because they give it a nice toasty flavor. Once you've added in any extras, give it a stir and it's ready to serve. This is a great rainy day recipe, and you'll either have leftovers or enough to feed an army. I hope you all liked the special chicken curry. If you did, the full recipe's in the description below. Please like and subscribe for more Gigi's Recipes.